look at this. We got some old cars. Car show. Got that one. Look at that. Got a bunch of different cars. Let's go this way. There's a family. There's my best friend. He's crazy. Look at that. That's a Mustang. I hate it. That? Oh, some trucks. These trucks. I think that's a Corvette. Yeah. Another truck. Oh, look at that. Okay, what even is that? Alright, bro, that's ugly. Why would you even bring that here? Oh, yo, this is a good looking car.
Look at that one. That's 7 yalll. It opened weirdly.
Oh, dang, look at this. It's got a fire engine, guys. It's a Corvette. Corvette, okay. Oh, guys, we got a blue Corvette over here. Blue Corvette. Pretty nice. Not bad, not bad. Look at this orange car. Looking good. 1966 car. I don't know what this. I don't know if you know what that logo is right there.
That's a Mach 1.
That's pretty cool. What's this? Oh, what is this? Mitsu Runabout. This is. Oh. Let's go look at the back. Yeah, we got a big turbo in here.
They got some thing.
Alright, look at this. It's a Camaro. We got a Camaro. Look at that engine.
Yeah, the engine's
Let's go over here. Oh, look at that thing. Alright, let's see. 1965 Dodge Hornet. Huh?
Coconuts?
Coconuts.
Yeah. No.
Got that. Alright. This looks nice. Some hot rod. We go on the other side and look for some more cars. What's your favorite car so far out of these?
Probably the blue one.
A blue Corvette? The blue Corvette? The Corvette.
Yeah.
Oh, I got some more cars. Okay, what even is that? Oh, what is this? It's an RT.
Look at that engine.
That's actually really cool. We got another truck, you know? Got another truck. Oh, yo, what's in the seat? Oh, we got some Looney Tunes stuff.
Look at some Looney Tunes.
Oh, look up there. Some cops. Y'all can't see that.
Oh, it's an ambulance.
Oh, no, that's an ambulance, yo. No parking unless you're laid out. Oh, all
No
others
parking
will be.
unless you are laid out.
I just read that.
Look at that.
It's pretty cool. Oh, we got another Corvette. I think these cars are scary because when you open these, it looks like their eyes. Alright, we got a little.
Check out the candy van.
What?
The white van.
Candy?
No,
want some candy?
No.
Want some candy?
Nah, that's sketch. Nah, that's sketch. That's very sketch.
Now you're right.
Nah, that's sketch. Yeah, that's very sketch. A bike over there. Yo, they got some bro, these kids got some whatever it's called, tinted thing. Look at that. It looks so goofy. Goofy. That. Yeah. So goofy looking. Stepmom. Yeah. Definitely my road. No, this is that's my friend. Like I said in the beginning. What is that bike? This one? nice work over there.